Hi, I'm Pete from Project Heaven, and we're just going to do a walk around video of our finished Maserati 3500 GTI. So we've been restoring this car for a number of years now. It's taken quite a while to get all the parts correct and get everything absolutely the way we want it, and we're just out road testing it today, and we've stopped just to have a quick look around it, and I can show you all the details of the car and what we've done and how we've restored it. Okay, so it's a complete bare metal nut and bolt restoration on this. We completely bared all the original paint and everything off it, back to the aluminium body. It's an aluminium body over a steel frame, as in super leggera, super light. We've got all the chrome work has been redone. That's all been completely refurbished to a very high standard. It's got a brand new set of aluminium wire wheels made by Torino wheels. Okay, so let's have a look at the engine. So it's the original engine block, head. It's all been completely refurbished. New liners, new pistons, new bearings obviously. So it's actually got electronic fuel injectors there underneath the original chrome pipes from the Lucas injection system. So you don't really notice it, but it's been upgraded to modern EFI. So this is actually fully sequential fuel injection now with fully sequential ignition as well. So it's running two sets of coil packs inside the wing. So there's a set of HT leads coming up from inside the wing, up this pipe, down to all of the plugs. It's twin spark, so you've got one coil with two outputs firing each cylinder. So we've actually got six coils with twin outputs. And then on the other end of it, we've just put some dummy leads in going into the original distributor, so that doesn't look too odd that there's no leads on it. But the performance increase is fantastic. The fueling is perfect all the way through the rev range, under any load. It'll start when it's freezing cold outside, it'll start when it's red hot outside. It'll run perfectly well if you take it up the Alps or down to sea level. You know, it's fantastic. It controls the electronic fan for the cooling of the engine as well. And it has a wideband lambda system as well, so it has a constant feedback. So it's constantly adjusting its own fueling all the time, making minor adjustments just to make it run absolutely perfectly. Okay, so in the boot, we've got this lovely trim that Bernadette's done, diamond stitched throughout, all the backboard, sideboards, and the top of the lid here. Behind the compartment here is the battery. Behind the panel there, we've got all the electronic injection fuel pump, and all the stuff associated with that. And under here, we've got a spare wheel. Okay, so let's have a look at the interior. So inside the car, we've reupholstered, retrimmed the whole thing. It's got brand new carpets, all handmade, in-house by ourselves. All the leather upholstery is all brand new, that's all been done by us as well. Roof lining, dash top, the lot. Other good things in here, all the gauges have been completely refurbished, all the switchgear has been refurbished and rechromed. It's got an upgraded head unit as well that connects to like Bluetooth and your iPhone, things like that. And yeah, it's just a really great place to be. Thanks for watching today's video. This car is actually for sale, so if you're interested in it, drop us an email or give us a call at Project Heaven, and be sure to subscribe to us for future videos.